Hello, here is Jiahe excavator factory. You see, this is our 1.8 excavator with Kubota engine. You can choose hydraulic or mechanical quick hitch. We have 3 buckets, 1 narrow bucket, 1 original bucket, and 1 clean bucket. And you can choose extend track. I will show you in a cabin. You can choose 2 pipelines. Our standard is 1 pipeline, and you can use the hydraulic thumb here and tilt quick hitch for optional parts. These 3 units are Perkins engine. The last 3, 1, 2, 3. Others are Kubota. All of them has EPA 4 and hydraulic and Euro 5 engines. And this is our 3.5 tons excavator as well. This is steel track. You can see the inside. It has the air conditioning inside, folding glasses. You can also choose the tint windows. Dark on it will not hot. See, this is Kubota engine, EPA 4 and Euro 5 as well. It also has 3 buckets, and you can also choose 2 pipelines. Standard is 1 pipeline. And this is our 2 tons excavator, Kubota engine as well, but we only have canopy for this one. This one sells good in American and Canada. You can see a lot of videos on YouTube, and they buy from us. These are our testing ground. We also have a mini skid loader with the Kubota engine as well, and different attachments for reference. And hope you will like it. Sato. This is our factory. Welcome to visit us.